My YouTube channel, AC Electrical 111. Today discuss Electrical MCQ 11. The power factor of an open-ended cable can be improved by A. Increasing the capacitance. B. Decreasing the capacitance. C. Increasing the conductor resistance. D. Increasing the insulation resistance. Answer D. Increasing the insulation resistance. 12. If the length of a cable is doubled, its capacitance is A. Doubled. B. Halved. C. Quadrupled. D. None of the above. Answer B. Doubled. 13. In capacitance grading of cables we use dielectric. A. Homogeneous. B. Composite. C. All of the above. Answer B. Composite. 14. Grading of cables. A. Reduces insulation cost and increases current rating. B. Reduces insulation cost but decreases current rating. C. Increases both. D. Either or all. B. Answer A. Reduces insulation cost and increases current rating. 15. Multi-core cable is generally used. A. Oval-shaped conductors. B. Sector-shaped conductors. C. Square contactors. D. Either or all. B. Answer D. Either A or B. 16. Copper as conductor for cables is used as A. Annealed. B. Hardened and tempered. C. Hard drawn. D. Alloy with chromium. Answer A. Annealed. 17. A cable carrying alternating current has A. Hysteresis losses only. B. Hysteresis and leakage losses only. C. Hysteresis, leakage and copper losses only. D. Hysteresis, leakage, copper and friction losses. Answer B. Hysteresis and leakage losses only. 18. The intersheets in the cables are used to A. Minimize the stress. B. Avoid the requirement of good insulation. C. Provide proper stress distribution. D. Any of the above. Answer C. Provide proper stress distribution. 19. Paper used as an insulating material is usually treated with only compound because it A. Is hygroscopic. B. Gets electrostatically charged at high voltage. C. Is porous. Answer B. Gets electrostatically charged at high voltage. 20. In paper insulated cables the contactor X section is usually limited to A. 0.50 mm to B. 0.250 mm to C. 0.600 square millimeters. D. 0.1200 millimeters. Answer C. 600 millimeters to 21. The insulation of the cable decreases with A. The increase in length of the insulation. B. The decrease in the land of the insulation. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Answer A. The increase in length of the insulation. 22. The insulation used in a cable designed for use on 1000 kVA is usually A. Impregnated paper. B. Compressed SF6 gas. C. PVC. D. Any of the above. Answer B. Compressed SF6 gas. Thanks for watching video.